One of the most amazing benefits of drone mapping is that we not only get orthomosaics of the areas where we're interested in, but we're able to look at digital surface models and digital terrain models as well. Now, if we've used ground control points when we've been flying the data, we can get absolute values of the elevation in those locations as well. This is super important if you're interested in anything to do with beach or coastal change. So this dataset does have GCPs. You can always check it by going into the dataset details, and you can see where it says GCPs down here, it says yes. So I'm confident that GCPs have been included in processing these data. So now that I know that, I can confidently use the inspect tool either by clicking Shift+I on your keyboard or using the tool button up here. Now, as I do this, what I'm going to do is just click around my image and you'll be able to see the digital surface model value here. So 1.03, for example. Now, if I change this to all layers and I also turn on the digital terrain model, I'll get the values of both of those. Now, in this location where there's no vegetation, so if we have a quick look there, we'll see there's no vegetation on the beach there. The digital surface model and the digital terrain model should have the same value. When we go to the island, we tap on a bit of vegetation, then we see the digital surface model is higher than the digital terrain model, indicating the height of the trees there. So you can use this tool to move your way around your beach to quantify the amount of change that you've seen over time.